Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to pass NCLEX-GN. Focus on clinical judgment first, then break study into short daily sessions with active recall. Use case studies to practice prioritization, delegation, and safety decisions. Review rationales for both correct and incorrect answers and note patterns in your mistakes. Simulate testing conditions regularly and adjust timing strategies. Stay consistent, track progress, and approach each question calmly with a clear method. Develop a focused plan that begins with a diagnostic practice exam to reveal gaps. Schedule blocks for content review, targeted practice, and full-length simulations with realistic timing. Mix in spaced repetition for key facts and concepts, and alternate question styles to build adaptability. Track your accuracy and pacing, and refine study targets weekly. Incorporate short breaks and active strategies like teaching concepts, allowed to boost retention and confidence before test day. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more NCLEX-GN tips. Quick recommendation. I picked up a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about finances and study budgeting, and it made me smile when I worried about test costs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds useful, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt practical techniques to improve accuracy under pressure by reading the stem twice and extracting the main problem. Focus on patient safety and immediate threats before choosing an intervention. Use elimination to discard clearly wrong options and compare remaining choices for priority. Practice pacing so you spend appropriate time on complex scenarios without rushing simpler items. Build confidence through repetition, and remind yourself to breathe and approach each question methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.